Achieving Inbox Zero with AI. A practical guide, the quest for Inbox Zero. A completely empty inbox is a common ambition in the modern workplace. While many articles claim miraculous results, the reality is more nuanced. Email volume is a persistent issue, and true Inbox Zero is unsustainable for most. The real value isn't emptiness, but efficient management. This article details a tested method using AI assistance to reduce email clutter, not eliminate it entirely. The problem with Inbox Zero, the original concept, popularized by Merlin Mann, wasn't about having zero emails. It was about processing them systematically. Today, the sheer volume of messages makes manual triage impractical. Many tools promise solutions, but cost or complexity often hinder adoption. The core challenge remains: separating essential information from the noise. The tool, Zero Email, and why it works. Several AI email assistants exist, but Zero Email stood out due to its free tier for individual accounts. This is crucial for those unwilling to pay for email management, a common position given decades of free service expectations. The tool blends traditional email with AI assistance, offering a balance of control and automation. The key is the AI bot, accessible with 20 daily prompts. This allows focused tasks like label creation and filter setup, without the steep learning curve of more complex automation platforms like Zapier or the upfront costs of paid solutions. Trimming the fat, unsubscribing, strategically reducing incoming volume is the first step. Unroll Me, once a popular option, lost trust due to data selling practices. Instead, a combination of Gmail's native features proved effective. A junk email label was created to funnel unwanted messages. A Gmail filter was then configured to identify emails containing unsubscribe, a legal requirement for most mailing lists. These were automatically marked as read and sent to the label for manual review. This method bypasses the need for third-party services. While some graphic-based unsubscribe links slipped through, they were easily identified manually. The impact was immediate. Unnecessary emails were isolated, reducing clutter substantially. Preparing the inbox. AI-assisted labeling. Once volume was controlled, organization was next. The AI bot was used to streamline label creation. All unused labels were deleted with a single prompt. Then, new labels, e.g., press emails, client-specific folders, shopping, were generated instantly. This process, which would have taken significant manual effort, was completed in minutes. The bottleneck shifted from execution to deciding which labels were needed. Putting emails where they belong. Automated filtering. The final, most time-consuming step was automated filtering. The AI was tasked with sorting incoming messages based on sender or keywords. Amazon emails went to shopping, personal contacts to personal, and so on. Press releases posed a challenge due to inconsistent sender lists. A filter was created to identify emails containing keywords like announce, launch, and embargo. This required initial refinement but proved effective over time. The result: a dramatically reduced number of unlabeled emails. The remaining messages were grouped logically, making triage far less stressful. Clean up and disconnection. After testing, a final AI pass labeled all existing emails in the account. Some errors occurred, but the system was largely functional. Given the sensitivity of some correspondence, NDAs, embargoed information, the AI tool was then disconnected. The risk of data leaks, even with assurances from the provider, outweighed the convenience. Leveraging built-in AI for email composition. Modern email platforms like Gmail, Gemini, and Outlook, Copilot, now include AI assistants. While currently better at writing emails than managing them, these features complement the overall workflow. The primary takeaway is that AI can significantly reduce email clutter, but it requires deliberate setup and ongoing refinement. Inbox Zero is not a destination. It's a strategy for regaining control over a persistent challenge.